PARI Robotics stands out as one of the leaders in delivering world-class automated solutions. PARI is a specialized company providing state-of-the-art turnkey automation solutions since 1990. PARI Robotics' global facilities is in Pune, India. We also have dozens of sales and service support offices scattered throughout the world. PARI's customer base is very diverse and all around the globe. With more than 1,500 installations worldwide, PARI is providing their customers with the solutions they need to enhance their productivity and to achieve their manufacturing goals. PARI has approximately 1,000 employees under one roof, with one of the largest engineering teams focused on automation technologies. 550 of these are engineers with strong mechanical and controls design experience. This solid engineering strength enables PARI to provide complete turnkey solutions. PARI has a huge capacity and talent pool to engineer and deliver solutions that enable addressing urgencies, like crunching timelines and managing changes. It's all to support advanced manufacturing systems. PARI is vertically integrated. It designs and manufactures its own products and project assemblies within its combined manufacturing facilities. PARI has customer awards for setting benchmarks on delivery, ramp up to rate, launch support, performance, and further support. PARI Robotics, making manufacturing smarter, faster, and safer.